So I'm going to present you Mobius certified checker running on a mobile phone. So here is a phone. It's a Motorola A780. It is Linux based and was produced in 2004 for the Chinese market. Okay, so I have no SIM card, but I have an interesting set of applications on it. I reduce my view to what is useful for us. And now I'm looking in my programs. So these are not real programs, these are just individual classes. And those classes use arrays. So somebody had checked that the access done on those arrays were correct and has transformed this verification in certificates, file with .cert, associated to the classes. How do I relate each certificate with each classes? Well, using Mobius programs that are on this flashcard. So the most complex part will be putting this program on our phone. Okay, so it is detecting the flash. There it is. And on this flash we find 4 programs. The last one is just a shell script that will make the link between the checker, which are written in Camel, compiled for this phone. So these Camel files are extracted from Cook. And the UI, which is here, which is just a regular medlet. It is an untrusted application because it is not signed. That is a notion of trust today on mobile phones. And now I can proceed with my native application. Well, everybody is convinced that they are safe. I am not, but anyway. So now they are installed in my set of application. I just launch the UI once to have it initialized. So that's fine now. And now I can go back to my set of example. I take the first, the simplest one. So to check that the array access were correct, the verifier used an interval-based analysis. And so I will use an interval-based checker. Which is somewhere in my set of applications. So this is this first one. It is this kind of file. And okay, my medlet is checked. Let's try another one. Each time I produce also a text file which is just the written result of my experiment. Okay, so let's look at more complex files. For these ones, the check was done with another verifier. And the certificate is not recognized by our checker. but it will be recognized by the other checker that use polyhedron inclusion. And in this case, we just make a partial verification. Well, it succeeds, but only on a reduced set of the check. But sometimes it succeeds. Fully. And we have the success screen. But how do I know that it is really using those certificates? Well, it's not the proof, but I will make a simple experiment. I run my text editor on those certificates. Select a place at random and put something in it. I save it, everything is fine, and now I launch my verifier. And this time the verifier is not happy with the certificate and tell us that there may be some problem with this midlet. Okay, that's all for today. Let's stop the demo.